Hello everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel. MB Kitchenette is a place where you can find easy, quick, and healthy home-cooked recipe. Today I will share you another recipe which is very popular all over the world, which is oven-grilled whole chicken. Have a whole-dressed chicken. Check if there are still left feathers while not all. What we buy whole chicken in supermarket are really featherless. To all my followers, thank you for being here once again and for your continued supports. And for those new here, welcome to my channel. Hope you will enjoy and learn from today's recipe. Once the chicken is clean, set it aside and let's do the flavor. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne powder pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander, a pinch of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of thymian, 1 tablespoon lime or lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then mix all ingredients. Once the flavor is all mixed, put it on the chicken. Rub it all throughout the chicken, rubbing it all over the chicken, including inside. I know that this recipe is not new to you, but to make it tender and juicy inside and out, that is what this recipe for. Creating a tender, juicy oven-grilled chicken is easy, but it needs a lot of time and patience. So make sure you're able to finish this video. Then your next oven-grilled chicken is the best grilled chicken ever. Let us cover for minimum 4 hours. If you have time, do it overnight. In a baking tray, put the chicken covering it with aluminum foil. Put the chicken inside a preheated oven with 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be always updated. Don't forget to check the descriptions of this video where you can find kitchenware and kitchen utensils, which you can avail or order them anytime. After an hour, remove the chicken from oven. Then remove the upper part of aluminum foil which is covering the chicken. Then put it back again to the oven. But this time you have to lower the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit and let it for another 1 hour. The secret to yield nice, not dry, juicy, and tender oven-grilled chicken is slow cooking. Well, not only with chicken but also with other kinds of meat. To Amith from Canada, Oscar from Dubai, Filipino group in USA, Jake of USA, and Leslie of USA, thank you for watching. I hope you liked today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to always updated. Thank you for watching and have a happy, healthy meal.